Hi guys, I'm Finn with Fanatik Bike Co. Here today in my beautiful backyard to build up my brand new GT Sensor. The Sensor is their 130mm travel 29er. I've been riding their Force, which is their 27.5 wheeled trail bike, for the last year, and I'm real excited to build the Sensor because I think it's going to be a lot of fun. I got some cool parts to show you to build it up with, and excited to get going, so let's start this build. So the shock I'm running is the Cane Creek Double Barrel Air, which is a rad large volume air shock with a piggyback from Cane Creek. It has a great damper, it's very plush, and it's got a sweet feature called the climb switch, which gives it a little extra compression when you're pedaling up the hill. It's got flip chips and put it in the low setting. I really like the low setting because it's great for going down steep trails, which are my specialty. So I got the Cane Creek Helm Air. It's a rad little fork. Packs a lot of performance in at this price point, coming a little less expensive than the competitors from Fox and Rock Shocks at around 900 bucks, but still with a very adjustable damper. It's got high speed and low speed compression adjust, and as well as rebound. And one of my favorite things about this fork is that instead of setting the negative air spring automatically, when you set the positive air spring, you depress this little guy at the bottom and that sets it for you, which allows you to customize your negative air spring pressure. So you can run a little more pressure in there for a more supple ride, or a little more if you want a firmer ride.
Pretty sweet.
Yeah. And just drop my bearing on the ground. Cool. So this is an extra large, which is the largest size that GT makes. And I'm 6'3", so it fits me pretty well. Reach on this bad boy is around 495 mil for this extra large size, and that's about the same size bike that I've been riding for the past 5 years or so. So it feels pretty comfy to me. There are longer bikes out there, but I kind of like this. I got a bar and stem here from Tenant Components. They're a rad local company that my buddy Tyler started here in Bellingham, and I'm stoked to support a great local company that makes cool parts. SRAM brakes all the way, baby.
Yeah, you got it.
Got some Code RSCs here. They're my favorite brake. They got all the power you need and all the control you need as well. So for wheels, I've got a set of these WeAre1 Unions on Industry 9 1-1 hubs. I'm super stoked to run these rims. A couple of the guys at the shop ride them, and they've held up really well for those guys, and rim durability is always a concern of mine, so I'm stoked these are gonna hold up under some aggressive riding. We're gonna have cush core on the rear wheel for extra sidewall support, and those are downhill casing tires because I'm a big boy and tires gotta hold up. Thanks for watching me build my bike, guys. I'm stoked to get out on the trail on this thing. We'll see you out there.
It's really windy.
Ah!